Hey, I'm Jared Lanham and welcome back to Refiner's Forge. So today is exciting because we're going to take a look at the final installment of the wine cellar door project, and that's going to be the installation of it. So I'm excited to get the door to the house and get it installed and to see how it all finally fits together and how the project works out. So we're going to take a look at the door on the welding table. Alright, so here's the wine cellar door. Again, the frame, the outside frame is all out of 1-inch square, solid. The internal pieces here are 5/8 square. Again, this is a restored lock, antique blacksmith lock. Have a full video, go check it out on taking this lock apart, seeing how it works, restoring it, getting back to working order. There's the old key that goes with it. And then this is the customer's own idea. Their last name starts with a B, and they wanted a B incorporated in the door. And they are engineers, and so they came up with the idea of doing Morse code B. So that's what this stands for, dash dot dot dot. And here is the my signature plate for the project. But anyways. This is all riveted. These pieces are all riveted on by rivets I made. These are bolts, 3/8-inch bolts. I squared the heads off to make them look more antique looking. But we're going to go ahead and get started getting it loaded now. This is what you get when you crush your tailgate while hauling a pallet of 12-inch cinder block up a hill, and the pallet breaks and it falls back on your tailgate. Improvise. And don't forget to check out Tim's stuff. If you need some custom leather work done, he's your guy. Alright, we're going to get on the road. Alright, so we're all loaded up, ready to go. So this is like, I don't know, my second project I've actually gone and done an install on. It kind of brings a whole new level of consideration, things you got to think about, you know, going all the way back to the estimating process. On this project specifically, I put about a week more of time into it than I originally thought it was going to take. So that's pretty significant. And part of that is just because it's learning. I kind of look at it as on these jobs like this, these newer jobs, you know, some stuff that I haven't done before, is as an opportunity to have somebody pay me to learn. So how do you get those leads? How do you get that stuff? Well, one way that I've gotten a couple of my big jobs is with partnering with other craftsmen that either they're already on a job, they're more established than I am. So one guy, so the guy I got this job through, I've done some work with in the past, Jason Orr, and he does woodworking, old log cabin restoration. Does his own milling, wide slab, live edge milling, and we'll see some of his work here at the job site. But he's the one that brought me in on this project. So networking, creating partnerships with other craftsmen can really help to build your business and break you into the market. Those are all things to consider. It was a beautiful drive through the Central Virginia countryside. We're here at the job site now, so now we need to get the door unloaded and go talk to Jason inside. So let's go do that. Hey man, how's it going today?
Yeah, how are you, sir?
Hey, this is Jason Moore. So this is the guy I was telling you about that I got this job through. I've worked with him on a couple other things. So
a couple cool projects.
You want to tell us about the job site here, what you're working on,
yeah,
and where the wine cellar door is going to be going?
Yep, the wine cellar door is going to be going right here. Actually, we're calling it a wine cellar, but I guess you really call it a wine closet. I'm going to get ready to build the insert. The insert is going to be divided up into a 45-degree angle for all the wine bottles to sit in. And this is where that beautiful door is going to go. It's going to be front and center of this room.
So that trim is walnut, correct?
Yeah.
And that's that's wood you milled yourself,
yep.
right?
Yep. That's wood we milled and dried, and we try to use all local harvested wood. Basically, a lot of urban salvage and stuff like that. So we own a sawmill and we saw it all up ourselves. So, yeah.
Why don't you tell us about the bar bases and the bar that you did?
We have a shop in Fairfield. My home base is in Brownsburg. We do all custom woodworking, timber framing, custom sawing, a little bit of everything. If it has to do with wood, then we basically do it. So that's great. All the wood is salvaged, urban salvage walnut. This is a big slab that we milled a couple years ago. The seat bases are solid slabs that we go ahead and carve the seat part in there. The bar back is a glue up. We tried to match the grain to make it look like one piece, and then we got the free floating shelves, the copper sink, and I think it's turning out beautifully.
Yeah, this is fantastic. You've done some amazing work on the trim around the windows, doors and stuff, and we'll get a couple shots of that. But these are the kind of cool projects, like I was explaining, you get to do and be a part of when you start to partner with other craftsmen.
Absolutely.
And so you can combine the wood and the metal and whatever else, so that's one of the benefits when you get to partner with other craftsmen and do that kind of stuff. So
yeah, this is my first one actually with metal, and I like it. So I'd like to do more. I love the look of it. So
I'm all about doing more.
Absolutely.
But we'll go ahead and start getting the wine cellar door out and getting that put in place.
You want to get it in there, and then we might cut some shims. Did you bring anything to kind of stick underneath it?
I brought some wedges.
Okay. Yeah, we can use some wedges underneath it there, and possibly in the sides, and then get those ones put on, and then just mark the holes.
Yeah. So here's the other half of the hinges here.
Oh, sweet, man.
That's the bottom one.
Heaviest doors I've ever set here. Yeah, we can go that way here.
Yeah.
Just get in the hole.
Yeah.
Go ahead and square it up.
Yeah. I brought transfer punches with me too, so we can, they're the same diameter as the hole. So
I think that's pretty good right there, man. I mean, we can kick that bottom over there a little bit because we got some room on this side right here.
Just tell me if I'm in the way.
Alright, so this was an amazing project to be a part of and do. It was a lot of fun, a lot of work. I learned a lot. I'm glad it's done, though I've got a lot of Christmas orders coming in right now I need to get on to. So there's always a few unexpected snafus. So when I was putting in this first lag screw here, for some reason this one did this number on me. So thankfully I had squared off the head of an extra one yesterday when I was doing this, like, I better do one extra to bring with me, so thankfully I did. We were able to complete the project, so those are just some things to think about.
Alright, so this project was fantastic. I learned a lot. It was challenging. Looking forward to the next project on this scale. It was great working with Jason. Looking forward to future projects with him. Really appreciate you watching. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. It'd be absolutely fantastic if you shared and or subscribed. And don't forget too, you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook under Refiner's Forge. We will see you next time.